Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out fuel prices on the Fuel Check application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this Trends button down below that can be found on the in the left side corner of the screen. So here at the top of the screen you can select the fuel type that you are interested in, so tap on it, and here you can select from these options, so tap on the relevant one and then click on the apply button in the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find today's average and also the cheapest day. You can check out the prices indicated on this chart. You can check out the weekly prices, monthly and yearly prices. So here you can see how the price changes. If you are interested in it in more details, tap on the see more button on the right side and you can compare fuel prices at this section. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.